Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Accord fog light. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Make sure your car is on a flat surface and turned off for safety. Wearing gloves and safety glasses is always a good idea to protect your hands and eyes during the repair. Having the right tools ready makes the job much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get to the fog light itself. You'll find a Phillips head screw holding the bumper in place near the light. Remove it. Next, use your trim tool to carefully pop out the plastic clips along the upper grille and bumper edge. Once these are loose, gently pull the bumper away from the fender. This creates enough room to access the fog light assembly without needing to fully remove the entire bumper. With access gained, it's time to replace the bulb. First, locate the electrical connector attached to the fog light. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Then, gently twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Take your new bulb, align it, and twist it clockwise until it's securely seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Almost done, reconnect the electrical harness to your new fog light bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Now, carefully guide the bumper back into its original position, pressing firmly to re-engage all the plastic clips. Don't forget to reinstall that Phillips head screw you removed earlier. Finally, test your new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.